Good morning. My name is Barb Groff. I work for Echo Consulting. We're a project management, business management solutions company. And I wanted to talk to you today about one of the platforms that we are a partner in, Smartsheet. And I want to talk to you about formulas. There's a real easy way if you need to insight into how to write formulas or you're struggling with one that's complex. Excuse me. I'm going to talk to you today about a nice feature in Smartsheet that I find very helpful. You come over on your right-hand toolbar, down at the bottom, there are a couple of stars, and you click on that. It's going to open the AI tool that is embedded into Smartsheet. There are a couple of choices in here. There's a new one, which is Analyze Data, which is great. It assists you in doing charts that we could then build into a nice dashboard for reporting purposes. We're going to talk today about the generating formulas one, and then there's also a summary that'll, based off the data in your sheet, it'll give you some summary and some text if you're looking for some assistance in that. So what I'm going to talk about today is just a couple of quick formulas. I'm going to click on Generate Formula. And then what you do is you're going to guide AI into what it is you want to formulate. You're just going to write a quick sentence, and I'll do that as I talk with you. I'm going to say, create a formula, calculate, and watch this. If I go type a Y, it's going to bring up my column that starts with a Y. So year. And then I'm going to tell it what it's based off of. Based off another column that I have is called the effective date of the request. This is the date that the request needs to be finished. And I want it to tell me the year. So I'm going to say generate formula. My year column is a text number column. I'm going to click in this first cell right here. And then I'm going to say apply. Based off of, and I have a date over here, I'll scoot over for you, 5/21, it's telling me it's in the year 2025. And this client wants to be able to report what year. Another great thing down here is just that, does the formula work for you? If you give this insight back to the AI tool, it will start to learn how you word things and how you write things and what formulas, what it needs to generate in AI. That's that one. I'm going to close this for a second. Y'all know, we can come down here, we can say convert to a formula for the whole column. So let's go over and do another one. A duration column. I'm going to click on my column. I'm going to come over to the stars. I'm going to write a new create formula. So create formula. Oops, why did that not go away? Hold on. There we go. Sorry. Create formula to calculate the number of days. Oh, I should say calculate the duration. There we go. And then I tell it what I'm basing her off of. Base off of the start. I have a start date and the finish date column. And then I tell it to generate my formula. Let's say, a little complicated to me, but let's try it. Or I think it could be a lot with the faults, but that worked. We will say we liked it, and then I'll come over here. Great feature in Smartsheet. We'll say the other platforms also have AI. Monday has the same things. Doesn't matter what platform you're working in. But it's a great way to get assistance, get your brain thinking on how to write formulas. Adjust for columns and center that if you want. I think things in the middle. Awesome. Well, I hope you all have a great day. A quick video this morning, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.